Hey, ever thought about how your everyday life might be shaped by some hidden force? Get ready for a kind of wild ride as we dig into the secrets of your thoughts and feelings. So, in this video, we're going to get into how the stuff that happened before still hangs around in our lives today and even decides what's coming next. But hold on, because it's not your usual advice kind of thing. We've got a crazy twist that might change how you see your own life. Keep watching, and by the end, you'll know how to unlock a cooler version of yourself. Seriously, don't miss this journey. It's going to be awesome. The connection of thoughts and memories. Ever noticed how our everyday thoughts weave themselves into the tapestry of our memories? It's like stepping into a maze when we dive into our daily musings. Picture our minds as ancient tape recorders, replaying the same stories every morning. These mental reruns imprint the echoes of yesterday onto the fresh canvas of today, linking our current problems to specific memories and entwining them with the people and things stored in our cognitive archives. Impact on state of being and character. Those thoughts, they're not just echoes, they're architects of our emotional world and, in turn, our character. Every memory we recall brings along its emotional baggage, constructing the very foundation of our state of being. So, each morning, rooted in our past, sets the course for our future selves. Imagine if yesterday's anger takes center stage in our thoughts each morning, it becomes a permanent feature, etching itself into the core of who we are. The power of routine and subconscious programming. Now, routine is like the secret architect of our daily lives, silently but powerfully connecting our past to our present. From the moment we grab our phones to those habitual rituals that mark our day, each action becomes a line of code in the grand program of our lives. This seemingly harmless routine, over time, chips away at our free will, handing the reins over to the subconscious program. By the time we hit 35, a whopping 95% of who we are is this amalgamation of habits, attitudes, and beliefs, a program humming away in the background, often unnoticed. The challenge of making changes. Escaping the clutches of our programmed existence is no walk in the park. Imagine your conscious mind as the underdog, making up a mere 5%, wrestling against the heavyweight champion that is your subconscious, towering at 95%. It's like sending an average person into a weightlifting showdown with an Olympic powerlifter. The gravitational pull of the familiar, the cozy routines, and the deeply rooted habits form a powerful alliance, yanking us back into the comfortable groove and sabotaging our efforts for transformation. Living in survival mode and negative thought patterns. Picture this. A significant chunk of our lives is spent in survival mode, constantly shadowed by chronic stress and an unwavering expectation of the worst. This stress, a souvenir from past experiences, directs our thoughts down the gloomy alley of negativity. It's like we have this knack for cherry-picking the darkest outcomes from the infinite possibilities in the quantum field. Replaying negative events on a loop just adds fuel to the fire, as each recall simulates the original emotional roller coaster, putting our bodies through the same turmoil again. The role of meditation in creating the future. Enter meditation, the superhero in this never-ending cycle. By building a bridge between our conscious and subconscious realms, meditation becomes the magic portal to the operating system where fundamental changes can take root. Joe Dispenza's wisdom hits hard. Why wait for a crisis to kick us into gear? In both the highs and lows of life, meditation becomes our trusty vehicle, steering us away from the clutches of the past and catapulting us into the enigmatic realms of the future. Emotional conditioning and the quantum model of reality. Now, let's think of meditation as the mystical potion that turns emotional conditioning into the very fabric of our reality. Here's the secret sauce: feeling abundant and worthy even before success knocks on the door. In this grand scheme of things, thoughts play the role of the brain's language, while feelings step up as the body's dialect. Sync these languages and voila! We become the architects of our future. The quantum model spills the beans. Feeling rich manifests wealth. Feeling joyful propels us into a happiness haven. And feeling loved brings relationships to life. It's all about blending imagination and reality through the perfect harmony of thought and emotion. Thoughts, choices, behavior, and experience. Consider every thought as a pebble creating ripples in the vast pond of our consciousness, setting the course for our choices, behaviors, and the whole ride of life. The déjà vu of recurring thoughts builds a roadblock to change, a stagnation that meditation acts as a disruptor. Through meditation's mindful lens, we become the commanders of our thoughts, steering away from mental territories we'd rather avoid. It's like having a compass of awareness guiding us, altering the choices, behaviors, and experiences that follow. Creating a new self through meditation. Now, think of meditation as the ultimate self-makeover, a deliberate effort to tend to the garden of our minds. This makeover journey involves preparing the soil by uprooting the weeds, removing rocks of past traumas, and nurturing the ground for new possibilities to bloom. By training our minds to chill in the Zen zone of meditation, we're essentially wrangling our wild thoughts, patiently convincing them to align with the emotional vibe we're aiming for. Training the body and overcoming resistance. Getting the body on board with meditation is a bit like breaking in a wild beast. It's kicking and screaming, craving the comfort of familiar emotions, even if they're toxic. As meditation throws a wrench into the body's routine responses, it's akin to chasing down and bringing back a runaway critter, persistently coaching it to settle into the new, unexplored territory. Liberation of energy and transformative results. Now, on this wild ride, as the body surrenders to the meditation groove, there's this burst of liberated energy. It's like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly, breaking free from the old, confined state of particles to fluttering in the vast waves of energy. Ditching the chains of old emotions, the transformation becomes not just a theory, but something you can feel. Give it a mere week, and you'll start noticing these subtle, yet mind-blowing shifts sprinkling through your everyday life, giving you a sneak peek into the potential for some serious positive vibes. In essence, this journey of change, fueled by meditation, is like setting yourself free, shaking off the familiar chains of the past and stepping into the vast, untapped potential of the future. In the intricate dance of our daily lives, we embarked on a transformative journey, unraveling the profound influence of thoughts and emotions on our existence. From the intricate connection between thoughts and memories to the power of routine and subconscious programming, we discovered the challenge of making changes in the face of deeply ingrained habits. Meditation emerged as the disruptor, offering a portal to reshape our destiny and step into the unknown. By understanding the quantum model of reality and the synergy between thoughts and emotions, we became architects of our future. Through the practice of meditation, we embarked on the creation of a new self, patiently tending to the garden of our minds, training our thoughts, and overcoming resistance. As the body surrendered to the meditative practice, liberation of energy ensued, marking the metamorphosis from the confined realm of particles to the boundless waves of transformative possibilities, a journey anchored in the liberation from the shackles of the past to the boundless potential of the future. Thanks for watching. Until next time.